Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's Magic Media tool to create amazing images using just text. Super easy and powerful. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. Click on Create a Design and choose any size. For example, Instagram post or YouTube thumbnail. This will open the Canva editor. Now, look on the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search box, type Magic Media and select it. Inside Magic Media, you'll see two options: text to image, text to video. For now, we'll use text to image, powered by Magic Media. Now type your prompt in the box. Let's try something fun. A fantasy dragon flying over mountains at sunset, ultra realistic. You can also choose the style like photo, drawing, or 3D art. Once ready, click the Generate button. Wait a few seconds. Your AI-generated images will appear. Canva usually gives 4 different options. Pick the one you like and click to add it to your design. You can now resize it, add text, animations, or effects, just like any Canva image. That's how you create amazing AI images using Canva's Magic Media tool. Try it today and bring your imagination to life.